Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to set up passcode in iPhone iOS 18. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down little bit and tap Face ID and Passcode. Again, scroll down and tap Turn Passcode on. Here, enter your new passcode. You can tap Passcode options. From here, you can choose 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or alphanumeric code. Choose one, or you can use 6-digit numeric code. Enter your new passcode for your iPhone, like any number. Then enter same passcode to verify your new passcode. When done, you need to enter your Apple ID password to confirm it's you. That's it, passcode added. Now go back to settings and close Settings app. Now unlock your phone with your new passcode. So these are the steps to set up passcode on iPhone iOS 18. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.